at dividing fractions. We are going to multiply or divide as indicated. Here we have 1/3 divided by 2. This is a complex fraction because we have a fraction, 1/3, in the numerator. So to perform this division, we are going to multiply 1/3 by the reciprocal of the denominator. So the denominator is 2, but we're going to go ahead and think about that as 2/1. So this problem is equivalent to 1/3 times 1/2, the reciprocal of 2/1. And now, to perform this multiplication, we multiply across the numerator and multiply across the denominator. So 1/6 is our answer. In this example, I have -2/3 x divided by 3/4. Again, this is another complex fraction, which means we have a fraction within a fraction. And so we're going to go ahead and start by taking the numerator. So that's -2/3 times x, so that's x/1. And then instead of dividing by 3/4, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal of 3/4, which is 4/3. And then we multiply across the numerator, so -2 times x times 4 is -8x, and 3 times 1 times 3 is 9. So we're looking at -8x/9, or -8/9 x.